Hey guys, today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can add a footer privacy policy on Wix.com. So if you want to add a footer privacy policy, just follow this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. And when you do log in, you need to go on this homepage, dashboard right here. And then you need to click on design site and go to the site editor. That is the site that you're working on. It's going to take some time to load that site, so we can just wait for a while. And when it is open, what we can do is we can go to pages and menu. On here, in order to add privacy policy, what do we need to do? Or what we can do is we can create a new page here, right here, that will include a privacy policy. So you can see privacy policy is not here. So we are going to add one. It's by dynamic pages, landing page, about, let's see if we have notes, not here as well. So we are going to add a privacy policy of our own. So we can rename this as privacy policy. Here you go, done. And we can just add it, in the end. And let's see how does it go. Oh, let me just refresh it. I know it's kind of complicated, but trust me, it's not. When you try to understand it, it's very easy to do. If we don't have any privacy policy template, we can just create one from the scratch. So that's not a headache at all. Okay, so we can open privacy policy from right here as we have edited this. But just for the sake of understanding, we can add one here too. Add section. You can increase its length. Design section. Text. And yes, we can go with this one right here. And here we can write privacy policy. So for example, this is our privacy policy. And if we need to add it, with the footer, what do we need to do? Let's just see what we can do. Move section down. And here you go. The privacy policy is right down. What do we need to do is we need to go here. And here, privacy policy, we can just click here. And then what we can do is we can go to settings, layout, and standard. Now we have done standard. So it's going to come, below. If we had clicked here, no header and footer, then this was not possible. So in order to add privacy policy in the footer or header, you just need to uncheck this and you're good to go. So the privacy policy tab that you have created, you need to open it, settings, layout, and here you need to click on standard. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.